Good morning, friends from India. So, hi everyone. Good morning. This is Wednesday here in India. It's almost 11:26 IST. So basically, we are looking for a trade in gold today, and I'm again sorry for this irritated voice or sound. It's coming in the background, like gear or something. I know it's something about a mic. I need to have some sort of podcast mic or something. Well, let's see. In a later days, I might be. Anyway, these will be our trading live streams. Okay, so basically, yesterday what happened? I sort of looking for yesterday this zone to get breakdown, and then we get what we can say uh, D2S flip, but basically we didn't get it by that time because the demand zone was here and it was supposed to break, but the level which it got broke is something this level. So we can't take from this high. We might have, or this high. The first high I don't take it. First high or low, you can say it will be the perfect logic, but I don't take it on 5 minutes or 1 minute. I don't take it. So I crashed that session only. So I didn't trade it on the London session. But when I went on New York session, I look forward to this price action. Although you know that day before yesterday on Monday, I guess I have drawn this demand zone for a 1 hour or 4 hour time basis time frame. You can see, yes, these are the levels I'm looking. I don't know it will come or not, but still I'm just placing some lines over there. And this is the target line where I see the market might go for this level, 2345. Yes, and this was the demand for the 4 hour, and it got mitigate, and it ran upward. So on 4 hour demand we didn't got any chance of at around, it was around 5:15 or 4 o'clock, it's PM, so 4 PM on IST level, Indian Standard Time. So I didn't got any chance here because if I looked inside in 1 minute or something, but that's not my session I should look for. So if you get like this in a demand zone, whenever you get higher time frame demand zone and it get based or get mitigate, and you see some sort of reversal like this, it should be impulse move. So this will be our supply zone, because see, from this level to it just crashed down and went back upward, and then again it came back. So something supply and demand has been going around here, so people don't know what to do and what not to do, but it went down and then again it came back and then again it went up. So this was the supply zone I was looking for, and the entry would be this. Yeah, this was this candle breaking down it, taking keeping as a liquidity here, and just drop it down. So this, and then here you can expect a trade entry, and putting a trade entry to 35% on fib, and you get 1:1. It's 0.99, 1:1. So let's see, am I audible? I don't know, let me check. Yes, I am. So yeah, that was the first trade you would have been looking for. This was the very killer trade, because this was at 4 hour demand zone level, and it got supply demand flip, and you got an entry. That's it. Although I have another strategy for this level, because I was looking at 15 minutes time frame. You can see this chart. Did you see some sort of any price action or some sort of any algo trading going around here? So I have cracked it. You might say not cracked it, but I have some pattern around it. It's called AB7 pattern, where there is a 7 criterias to meet about, and I will tell you how it's those criteria in a later days or something. But this is where I get a target out here, like this level, and demand is this level, but I know the entry is at this level for sure. How, I will tell you later days, later sessions. So yeah, then again I went for, so there was a news yesterday for retail sales or something news. So on a 5 minute I see demand supply again broke it out on these levels. It went shoot up like crazy, and hopefully you can see that on a London session it created a supply, a very good supply level, and I was like waiting for it. So this was the main supply level, and you can hop on this trade from this level to this level. So you will target for this level, and you can hop on at this time. So what I did, I was about to take a trade here and keep this stop loss to this level and target to this level. I know it will hit, it will take a lot of time, but it will eventually hit. But what I was expecting, this was a 5 minute of supply break, because it just went through it, right? But have you seen it? Like, okay, let me go back. So I was waiting for this level basically, because it might get mitigated, because I will get something around 1 is to 2.5 or something. But what I was hoping here to get on this level and getting out at 1 is to 1. Then again the last first trade I should ride on. But what if just I get a 1 is to 1 in straight away? So what I see, yeah. So this was this where the impulse move starts. So I did something like this. I see here as a supply change, almost here supply change up. So I was waiting for this level to get it done basically. For the longer period, for a higher time frame, it might be this. See the difference, same, it is almost same, right? 1 minute and 5 minutes. So when I got those entries out there, like, it's showing that for on 5 minutes, for a low for 5 minutes, for a very less trade, you can go for a 78%, or for 1 minute you can go for 35%. This was the 1 minute supply zone where I got it. So it's better to worry about wait for the trade. You can get entry here. It's not necessary that you need to take always entry from here. You might miss one. Yeah, I had missed a lot, but this was the news, so it was going to get corrected, and I was hoping to get onto the very less risky side of my trade, because see, there is like almost hardly a little bit of drawdown for this trade, and I got entered here and it covered up to this level, and again from there also you can see this target has already met. So but see, this level again came for the break even if you had done it. So it's crazy when it happens on 1 minute or 5 minutes or something. This was another one. Yeah, this was on 1 minute though. Yeah, this was demand zone, liquidity, and then this one nice move, creating 1 minute time frame demand, breaking 1 minute time frame supply zone from this level, see this level correctly, and then got an entry at, it's almost a New York session mid. So I was not up, but I saw this entry good way. One trade a day. You don't need to do a lot of trades. They might coming with a lot of trades, but you always make sure that it's one trade a day. So this is our demand zone. I might see that this. So see, every other person might be thinking that this is the liquidity, and this will come to this demand zone. But one thing I will tell you, gold is very very crazy. You see the inside the demand zone. I might see this as a entity or something sort of boss, but if if it break this level, like this level, and again shoot up crazy, like giving an impulse move to our upside, breaking 1 minute supply zone, then I'm going to take entry for a long, because this is somehow demand zone, but there is another demand here. You can see this might be the liquidity for that demand zone. So I would be waiting for this to break out to get into a nice demand zone, or else let's see how it goes from this. This might come to the New York session or London session also. Let me check if there is any news today. Okay, Wednesday. CPI Wednesday 11:30. It's almost done, and I guess it's a news for GBP USD You might see the very see it's happening. Damn, damn crazy. See there for JBB. Oh my god, 200 points, huh? So what you have done? You could have done to get this yay news out there. Well, this is demand zone. This might be the liquidity because it created a higher high and then it came back and then made it to the high point. Uh-huh. So let's see Euro USD. Euro USD, yeah. Just because dollar is moving, that's why it's see the demand zone how it's flying. Crazy. Now it's got mitigated. Now it will go up or it will break down. Once it breaks down, then you getting a flip of demand zone. And once it go up, then you get a flip of supply zone. Then you need to see for upper side. So you need to wait for the trades and make sure be patient on the trades. Not always you have to do trading on every other way around. See, you can trade, one can trade that every other way around. I have seen it. I have seen a lot of people, even I did it, but you know it's not consistency as compared to little less trades. That's why it gets into your psychology and it fucks your profitable journey. So don't trade over trade or things. It's just messy, you know. You get a 22 days in a month. In a 22 days, if you get a 1% risk on this strategy, although you get like 20 days to trade, two trades, I'm just wasting it for your time or maybe the holidays. You get a 20 days. In 20 days, you need to have a very criteria full strategy out here. You can risk 1% for a 20 days. See, 1% 20 days, 1% risking, so 20 trades are going to happen. 1% profit, 1% loss, 1% profit, 1% loss. At least you have to make sure that your this strategy, your supply demand strategy, is going to work for at least 70 to 80% of your accuracy on 20 trades. So on a 20 trades, so 75%, you may say 75%, it's almost 15 trades. So 15 trades you are making it a win and losing 5 trades. So how much you are making on 20 trades? 15% is your 15 days you are in a win position and 5 days you are in lose position. And how much you are making? You are at least making 10%, right? So 10% a trade. Are you going to kid me right away? It's achievable. This is achievable. You just have to make sure. Even I achieved it the past time, but somehow some another background comes into your trading and then it messed you up. And it happens all the way around for every other person. Not necessarily they are robot or something. Because this strategy you can't algo it. You can't algo it. You have to be here. You have to be trading. So yeah, you need to place trade every day. You need to be on a chart on every day. You need to see every other aspects of life also, not hopping on the screens all day long. Just come here for 2 hours or 3 hours. You will see for a day. I'm asking, session is like 1.5 hour, right? Pre-open and open, that's it. We get out, and London session, New York session, you do it as per your convenience, and just observe the charts, observe the price, how it goes and how it not goes. And obviously it's the only best way to trade on one pair, that is gold. I am I am mastering the gold pair. Sorry. So that's how I was looking for, and this gold is gold, man. Gold can't beat gold. Your USD, if you trade a lot of sizes, then you're paying a lot for the commissions. And for gold lot sizes, you are not paying for a lot of commission. It has a spreads, but not that much. And Nasdaq, I do trade yesterday. Nasdaq also. Yes. See this trade. I was about to take a screenshot for my journal, but yeah, not this trade. I will tell you what. I was looking for this might work or not. So it was this trade when I saw that there was a supply zone here. See, this one is supply zone here. Where it went up, but it didn't. See, yeah, it came up. This move didn't. Then it. Sorry, there was supply zone. It got out with this movement, but it was not a impulse movement. So I was waiting for get corrected or get liquefied and then coming back. But right away this move it went up crazily and break out to the supply zone. But I guess this was the supply zone. I draw it yesterday. Yeah. So I was waiting for this supply zone to break, but somehow I took a trade, a very less risk, and I ended here and I got stopped out here. But then again, it came way down, and I see this as a liquidity on 5 minute time frame. You will see this as a liquidity. I'll show you it. See this as a liquidity, and this as a demand zone. So it just mitigated the demand zone and shoot out like crazy. On 1 minute time frame, you can see after liquefied it just shoot at crazy level. So I took as this as a supply zone. Now I will tell you how I traded it. I don't know, I just traded it. I am sure that if liquidity gets done, then I need to trade it on. Then I placed entry here. It went down back crazy level, almost about to hit my target, almost about to hit my stop loss, but again it came up and hit my proper target of 1:1. So I was out. I risked here something. I risked yeah, 1% here, and here I risked around half percent, half 40.40% or something is 35 or 40%. So I got it out with 5% trades, and then again I was just looking around, looking for supply zone where it breaks with the very nice what we say, very nice impulse move like this, but it never came back. So sometimes you get missed, sometimes you won't. So that was it for yesterday, and now we were looking for today's trade. Let's see for the gold how it's going. I was literally hoping today we will get a trade on a London session, because New York session we get a lot of volumes although, but London session is London session. I can get out and do my all works after New York session completed, London session completed. So here you can see only this as a supply zone. This level, and it's almost gone out. For this liquidity, we might conclude as this supply zone. So if you see, as much as this might be the trade, but I am not taking this one. I am not confident on this trade. So that's why. Aha, it is going up. GPT is going up. This is going down. This might be in a range. It's almost 11:49. So I'm looking 5 minute. Oh, nice. Uh, so yeah, this is it. Let's wait for the trade. come right back. One minute. Okay, till then I will just check our stock market, Indian stock market. Oh my lord. Oh, crazy stuff, huh? Daily it went up and close up. Okay. I don't know what's happening here. I guess this might come here and again it will. See, even in my stock, in our Indian stock market, not mine, I see some retracement, V-shaped recovery. On that, this was a supply sort of thing we can calculate. Then I was waiting for this level to get in touch and entry for the upper side. But somehow I feel that might go like this. This was I drawn way before, like before this crash might happen. I was looking for this level. It's on my Instagram page if you want to, and I will do that ad here. So here it came, and then again I was hoping to get corrected and go back down to this level, but it went straight up, recovered. Cause after this level only I will be hoping to 2500 or something, hoping to get this 29,000 around for a Nifty. So let's wait. Let's see how much it will give it back. Oh, what did I do? Delete it. Okay. Okay. Good. Okay, we'll check BTC. Crypto. I will tell you one thing also. So I trade this BTC on a future. This was the demand. Sorry, this was the demand zone. It got liquidity upper side. To break it out, it came back. See the demand zone. I will show you later. It came back. It gave nice supply. Sorry, nice supply level to break. That time it was. I did some changes on my Fibonacci tool, so that time it was not having a target level. So I took this trade, I got entry here, I got out 80% here, and still riding my profit, keeping stop loss at $62,000. But I was hoping it should not break this level. but on daily it look like accumulating or something sort of thing on daily. Yeah, it's not even going upside from this level, so this is my level to get again into this crypto thing. But this was I was expecting, this is where I'm expecting it should come, this or this level, if it corrects. But this level, it will it come this level, then I don't think so. People will get fucked up very badly. This was the level I was hoping to get and shoot out, but most probably this is the level. Yeah, it came back to this. So hidden times, hidden gem time. So whenever you look for a long-term perspective on the markets with the technical chart, always make sure you select this thing, logarithmic, logarithmic. Okay, so it says log chart, most probably logarithmic chart, because what it does, I will show you the difference between log chart and, see, this is the log chart. You can see a proper channel trend line going around, and support, resistance, and then going around in a very nice market structure. And what if I make it to the regular? See, have you seen it? Do you even believe that how to get into this? You will draw like these level, sort of. Hey, you will go for this level to this channel, yeah, blah blah blah, and then you will not be you will be thinking that this is what tulip mania happened, or what, going upper side and then coming back and then going up. See, this is the normal chart you look at, but logarithm chart, it gives you in a very nice percentage wise charting basis. So that's why I use logarithm chart rather than normal chart everywhere on in a trading also. But trading doesn't matter because it's just a 5 15 1 hour of 4 hour max, and forex is not that much investment purpose instruments, so it's for the trading only. So that's how it works. Although I did enter at at this level, this is, it is 9,000. Yeah, 9,000. Yeah, 9,000. I have shared my analysis that time, 20 May, 20 May, June or something, this time, that it will give you 100% at least. But it gave something from that level to all time high. It was around 500%, 55,000. So I missed that time. I didn't have money to invest. Now I am already invested my savings. So let's see how crypto will go. Chances comes, chances don't. There is like, at the start of technology or any other aspect of life, if there is a new technology, new adaptation in any world, any, sorry, not any world, any country, or any, all over the world, might be a very good indicator. So there you will get a very nice loophole where you can make a lot of chunk, lot of bucks, a lot of millions dollars with the change of technology or anything, like if some nation getting independent, and then that time if you had worked hard with this, when with these products or something sort of, and then you might be right now at very high level. So there is our physical world is already settled down, people are having already in developing nations and all those sort of stuff. But in a digital world, still there are lot of things to come, it's just a crypto right away. The blockchain, it's like eighth wonder of the world. It might go beyond that also. A lot of things might be coming, so don't miss those opportunities in your life uh, when you get to know that something is changing, something is drastically changing in this space or something sort of. And then that time you have to make sure use yourself and be on the right place at the right time. Boom, you will be the millionaire somehow. I have seen a lot of people became with the crypto millionaire, although they have already spent those monies, because it was fast money for them, and then boom, like they have lost it all on doing all sort of entertainment stuff. But a wise person might have invested in a lot of projects or a lot of real estates or any other stuff, any business ventures like startups, anything. You can go and invest in, and you can make money. uh, do yourself think that you should invest those money in some sort of risky assets or some sort of non-risky assets, or maybe little risky, so you can make sure that you're at least beating the inflation and getting more from the same money, because money is what money does. That's how some economist has said. I just know the definition because I have learned it in 11th standard or 12th, I don't know, but yeah, someone has said that, and it's true, freaking true. Making money is not the goal. Being a financial freedom and being on your own time and a respected person in a society, because to get a respect you need a lot of money. Society runs on money too. Not every other person knows that money is just not a tool for happiness. Yeah, it gives a lot of tools to make sure you are happy in the sad times, but just not the things. Sometimes when you have a lot of money and that time you don't have a lot of people around and you just feel alone, that's the crazy part. The person who is wise enough or have a wisdomatic approach in his life, rather than the person who just see money and just spend it out, and make sure his dopamine doesn't get less. He just go with the peak mode. That's what right now the people who don't know how to use money are doing. They are just filling their dopamine to go there, go here, go there, spend some money, have some things, have some entertainment around him, all other stuff. Okay, there might be a lot of things to talk, but with this trading thing, I am thinking to wait for a little more time, but I think I should do live trading on by 12 o'clock or something, because then we can do it for 12 to 1 p.m. So we'll get us 12:30 London open time, where you can have nice volume spikes. This was for 11. It already spiked in, so boom, 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 this was not an entry. The entry will come, but don't ask me what is this. Please. Yeah, this was one of my strategy, but it has also some tweaks around. Nasdaq right now it's no volume per se, so it's not good to trade. Sorry, I always feel sleepy, yawn. Why I do that? Okay, we'll check for Euro USD. See, demand has broken out, and then you got a very nice retracement. See the level. This was the entry. This was a perfect entry. You would have been risk around like 1%, and you are waiting for this target to get done. Because see, I have already cleared this as a demand, and you know where I see myself as a touch of line. Little bit less, but still, yeah, it's done. It's done here. So that line touch, and then it went up, created a correction. We entered our round, and it's going closer. We didn't enter. It's hypothetical. If we're supposed to trade Euro USD, then or someone is trading. So this might be also the demand zone, because it's a mitigation. So you can work on this levels. Can't go upside this level, then you will miss it. This is good enough. This is good enough. This is target is done, and but basically, what if like main demand, and then your target is already done there. This is how our strategy turns out. Make sure you strategy how it goes. Yeah, this is how our strategy works out, so don't worry about it. My strategy gives you like 70%, but it literally it should have a very nice liquidity catched up and every other stuff. I'm not going to teach you everything here around. because I have mentorship going around, but I will try to give a lot of things here. But in mentorship, I will tell you a personally way. But I'm not promoting mentorship right away because I literally have no time to go through a lot of elders, students right now because it takes a lot of time. It's one-on-one mentorship, so I need to give a lot of time. And every day is teaching them. So let's see if a lot of students might be interested. Then only I will. And I teach the interested person only. It's not easy. It's not just for the person who just came back and trading, yeah, we can do it trading, all the stuff. No, I want to make some money and I want to have Lambo. I will do this. I will risk 5%. I will risk 10% on this strategy, and I will make sure that I flip my account. Blah blah blah. No, this should not your concern. Concern should be what you are learning, right? What you should be learning around. So that's your concern. And how you as a human being is going to make sure it's good for the society. How good you are to be for the society. That's what I perfecto. I wanted to have it. But let's see. I'm not taking that trade, I'm just placing it. It was just to look for that trade because this might be a demand zone, and then boom, supply, and I'm looking for this demand to get. See, the last time it was 4 hour demand zone, right? And now it's 5 minute demand zone where we can see, expect price might come down and mitigate it, and then it will go up, upside level, right? That's how. Then only you will get a very nice, correct, very A plus trade. Not like see, I said flips are happening here and there, so you don't have to trade every other flip. But the perfect flip where you can make sure that yeah, that's the reason. Yeah, yeah. See, the flip already happened. The target already happened. You might be a crazy going around. See, the last time is targeted, right? It was this. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, if you want this, then this. See, almost target is done, right? Target is done. You don't need to worry about it. Target gets done when it's the flip. GU. Okay, GU is going up. Flipping is good. I love it. So tomorrow Thursday, 1 p.m. CHF GBP 6 p.m. Unemployment claims. Friday USD. Okay, 7 euro. Damn. Friday I'm not. Yo, I need to visit my hometown for some work. So yeah. Okay, boys. to stop the live session. As you can see, I have already marked the supply and demand zone, so wait for it, wait to get break, wait to get it break. Okay, and yep, yes. So if you see this level breaks down to this some supply on 1 minute or 5 minute, maybe this level I am looking for this only to get it done for the higher time frame, because if you are in a trending environment, see, I already told you my target is this. Even if this flagpole pattern might give us the same target, so why should I go for uh, opposite trade rather than same trend as compared to the market trend, right? So I was waiting for this to get it mitigate, and then I will see some sort of supply for one for first supply. If I don't get it, but at least for second supply break, I will get my entry. Hope so it will happen in a London Open. Already London Open is right now in a 10 minutes, but hope so it happens in 2 or 3 o'clock if I am available, or else in the New York session I will trade. So thank you so much. We'll see tomorrow, last day of the week for me, and how it goes. And I will definitely make sure this mic gets work smoothly rather than this clear आवाज. Yeah, clear आवाज. Yeah. थोड़ा सा हिंदी हो जाता है, and I will try to talk in Hindi also, because you know this will help more people to come and on board. हिंदी मराठी कुठलीही भाषा मी कुठलीही बोलू शकतो, म्हणजे त्या तीनपैकी दुसऱ्या आय डोंट नो. तर मग ठीक आहे, भेटू उद्या. बाय बाय.